Welcome to The Explainer. We've got a major weather update for southern India for October 17th, 2025. There's a powerful circulation intensifying, and we're going to break down exactly what that means for you. Okay, let's dive right into this. The entire weather pattern we're about to talk about, it's all being driven by this one thing, a cyclonic circulation that is just gathering steam right now, right off the southern tip of India. So to really get a handle on what's going on, here's how we'll break it down. First, we'll look at what's actually causing all of this weather. Then we'll see the impact it's already had and check out the 24-hour forecast. After that, and this is super important, we'll cover a critical safety warning before finally looking ahead at what else is brewing out there. First up, to really understand what's happening, we need to look at the engine behind all this rain. And what we're seeing is a fascinating clash of atmospheric forces. What we've got here is basically a battle line being drawn in the sky. You see, on one side, you have this dry air pushing down from Andhra Pradesh, and it's putting a lid on cloud formation. But on the other side, you've got all this heavy, moist air being pulled in from the Bay of Bengal, and that's the fuel for all the storm activity in the south. It's a classic atmospheric tug-of-war. And this is the star of the show, right in the middle of it all. This circulation way up in the atmosphere is acting like a giant magnet, just pulling all that moisture from the Bay of Bengal right across Tamil Nadu. And the forecast models show it moving west, where it's actually expected to get even stronger and become a full-blown low-pressure area. So what has this system actually done so far? Well, the last 24 hours have given us a pretty clear picture, with some really significant downpours happening all across the state. So where did we see the most rain? A massive 96 millimeters in the Ramanathapuram district. Now, to put that into perspective for you, for some places, that's pretty close to a month's worth of rain in just one day. And you can see this impact wasn't just in one spot. The rain has been incredibly widespread, hitting areas from Ramanathapuram and Tirunelveli all the way up to the Chennai area, where Medavakkam got a pretty significant 75 millimeters itself. Okay, so that's what's already happened. Let's turn our attention to the future. Here's the detailed forecast for the next 24 hours, and we're going to break it down region by region. All right, this is absolutely crucial. These 8 districts, mostly in the southern and western parts of Tamil Nadu, are on alert for the most intense rainfall. So if you live in these areas, you really need to be prepared for some heavy, maybe even very heavy showers. But it doesn't stop there. Pretty much the entire state is going to see rain. We're expecting widespread, moderate to heavy showers all across the northern districts, including Chennai, the western industrial belt, central areas, and of course, the agricultural delta regions. And this system is so big, its influence is spilling right over the state lines. Kerala is expected to see widespread heavy rain. Southern Karnataka, and that includes Bengaluru, will also get some showers. And even the southern districts of Andhra Pradesh are going to feel the effects of this system. Okay, now we need to pause for a moment and talk about something that goes hand in hand with these intense thunderstorms, and it is critically important. I'm talking about the danger of lightning. This is a question everybody needs to have an answer for, because knowing what to do in the next few seconds can genuinely be the difference between life and death. And listen, this isn't some theoretical risk. We have already seen the tragic consequences. 4 lives were recently lost in the Keralarains district due to lightning strikes. So please remember these crucial safety steps. If you hear thunder, get out of open areas. Never ever shelter under a tree. It's one of the most dangerous places you can possibly be. The only truly safe place is inside a sturdy concrete building. Finally, let's zoom out. This current system will pass, but what are the models showing for the days and weeks ahead? What else is brewing out on the horizon? And this is fascinating. Forecasters are already tracking a new circulation that's expected to form way out near Indonesia around October 23rd. The prediction is that this system will track west, heading towards northern Tamil Nadu, and it could really ramp up after the Diwali festival, signaling a very active start to the northeast monsoon season. And that leaves us with this final thought. We're seeing a clear pattern here. As one system passes, another one is already forming right behind it. It really suggests we could be in for a very busy, very intense monsoon season. Which begs the question, are we prepared? Stay informed, and most importantly, stay safe.